Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the foot of a great misty mountain, there lived a young boy named Peter. Peter was known throughout the village for his boundless curiosity and kind heart. He would often explore the lush forests that surrounded the village, discovering hidden streams, colorful flowers, and the secrets of the natural world. One sunny morning, while wandering deeper into the woods than he had ever gone before, Peter heard a soft, melodic humming. Intrigued, he followed the gentle sound, weaving through the trees and over babbling brooks until he reached a clearing. In the center of the clearing, Peter's eyes widened with astonishment as he saw a magnificent dragon. But this was no ordinary dragon. Its scales shimmered with a myriad of colors, and its eyes sparkled like gemstones. Most astonishing of all, it wasn't a fierce creature, but a gentle and friendly dragon. The dragon, whose name was Seraphina, had a wise and gentle presence. Seraphina had lived in the forest for centuries and had never encountered a human as kind-hearted as Peter. The two quickly became friends, sharing stories, laughter, and their love for the beauty of the natural world. As time passed, Peter would visit Seraphina often, and they would explore the forest together, discovering hidden wonders and helping the animals in need. With Seraphina's help, Peter became the guardian of the forest, ensuring that the delicate balance of nature was preserved and protected. Word of Peter's friendship with the friendly dragon spread throughout the village. At first, the villagers were fearful, but when they saw the harmony that Peter and Seraphina brought to the forest, their fear turned into admiration and respect. One day, a terrible storm descended upon the village. The winds howled and rain poured down in torrents, threatening to flood the entire village. Without hesitation, Peter and Seraphina sprang into action. Together, they used Seraphina's mighty wings to shelter the villagers from the storm's fury, ensuring their safety. From that day on, Peter and Seraphina were regarded as heroes in the village. They lived in harmony with the villagers, teaching them the importance of nature and its delicate balance. The village prospered and the forest flourished. The story of Peter and the friendly dragon, Seraphina, became a cherished legend, passed down through generations. It taught the world that friendship could bridge the most unexpected gaps, and that when humans and nature work together, they can create a world of wonder and magic, where even the mightiest of creatures become friends.